So I have started for Solang Valley, and this is the view on the way. We are waiting for that car to come. After that car comes, we'll go. Our is a 4x4 car. I don't know much about it. People who understand car may know. These cars only work here. And just see the view. This can be called as a fresh snow only, because snowfall just happened 4 days back. I was a little sad that we couldn't see live snowfall, but after seeing the condition, it is very much understandable that if now any more snowfall happens, again Manali will be closed. So it is better for us to complete the trip nicely and go back. And as I was saying in my previous shots, after many years, Manali got such snowfall. So heavy snowfall. See, all the cars are almost covered with snow. They are stuck.